Hello guys, welcome to another video by Technical Mac. If you're new to this channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification because you don't want to miss out on our regular giveaways as well as tips and tricks that we are updating regularly with. So today we're going to show you how you can actually post a link onto your Instagram bio. Now you might see a lot of posts where they say that you can actually post links on Instagram posts, but by default Instagram does not explicitly allow you to post links onto Instagram post. If anyone says that you can actually post links onto Instagram posts, they're probably lying because Instagram does not explicitly allow you to post links on your Instagram post, or maybe you have to take help from third-party apps. Now I'll show you how you can actually post links, clickable links onto your Instagram bio, because some of you guys might not know, though it is very easy. So as you can see, we're just taking a sample account, and that is the data, right? So once you click the link that you see on our bio, it redirects you to YouTube. So that is the link that we added actually in our bio. Now it's pretty simple to add a link, and you don't need to do complicated stuff and all you have to do is click on the edit profile. Once you click on the edit profile, you have to add the link in the website section. Make sure that you add the link in the website section and not in the bio section, because if you add the link, whichever link it is, the website that you are looking forward to redirect to, the bio section, it will not be a clickable link. So let's say I want to link it to Google. So I type Google's website, and there you go. I click on done, and here the link has changed and it will be a clickable link. Now at the same time, let's try editing it in the bio section. Now let's try editing it in the bio section and see if it is clickable or not. So once I've added it in the bio section, let me just click done, and there you go. You see the google.com that was added in the website section is a clickable link, whereas the one that is added in the bio section is not a clickable link. That's all. So it's pretty simple. All you have to do is add the link under the edit profile. Just go to website section and you can add whichever link you want. Hope you like this video guys. Stay safe and see you until next video. Bye bye.